In this lesson, I'm going to talk about fraction equation. The question is, solve the equation. First step, we need to remove the denominator. Now, we factor the x squared subtract 1. X squared subtract 1 can be factored as x plus 1 multiply x subtract 1. 1 plus x can be written to x plus 1. So the given equation becomes x plus 1 multiply x subtract 1. The numerator is 2x. Second term is x plus 1, numerator is 1, equals to 1. Now, we need to remove x plus 1 and x subtract 1. So, both sides of the equation multiply x plus 1 times x subtract 1. So, x plus 1 multiply x subtract 1. This is the first term. X plus 1 multiply x subtract 1. Numerator 2x subtract 1 divided by x plus 1. Right side 1 times x plus 1 times x subtract 1. So x plus 1 times x subtract 1 multiply the first item x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 equals 1. The numerator x subtract 1 divided by x subtract 1 equals 1. So this term apply to multiply this term, left 2x. Now subtract x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 equals to 1. So the second term is x subtract 1, which equals to right side of the equation 1 times this term equals to this term. X plus 1 times x subtract 1 equals to x squared subtract 1. So x squared subtract 1. So this is 2x subtract x, negative become positive, equals to x squared subtract 1. So 2x subtract x becoming 1x plus 1 equals to x squared subtract 1. Move x to the right side of the equation. Positive x becoming negative x. Move the positive 1 to the right side of the equation. Positive 1 becoming negative 1. Negative 1 plus negative 1 equals to negative 2, which equals to 0. Now we need to factor this. X because this is a negative 2, so subtract 2 plus 1. X plus x is x squared. Negative 2 multiply positive 1 equals to negative 2. Negative 2x plus positive 1x equals to negative 1x. So we have this 2-factor multiply equals to 0. So we have x1 equals to 2 and x2 equals to -1. Because in given equation, the denominator has x squared subtract 1. So when x equals to 2, x plus 1 times x subtract 1 equals to 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 subtract 1 equals to 3, not 0. So x equals 2 is the solution of original given equation. So x equals to 2 is the solution. When x equals to -1, then x plus 1 times x subtract 1 equals to x equals to -1 plus +1 times -1 subtract 1, which equals to 0. When x equals to -1, x plus 1 times x subtract 1 equals to 0. So x equals to -1 is not the solution of the given equation. This is a increased root. So x equals to 2 is the solution of the given equation. Thank you for watching.